Morning everyone! Today I'm going to Ladura Heights. I've never been there before, so I'm excited. Rebecca did such a good job. We're gonna do 2 videos. So one is just more about the interior design. One is gonna be with Rebecca. Check out her page, she's awesome. And it's gonna be about her talking through her process. Excited to do that. I have all my microphones charged up. I haven't used these microphones in half a year. Terrible that, I mean, today's a bit cloudy, which is fine, but I feel like kind of for video I really like those sometimes the harsh sun rays or shadows, so curious how it's gonna look like. Maybe it's gonna be better soon, so that's all. I'll check in later. Or maybe I'll put this camera on a tripod. So I finished shooting this living room area, going now to the kitchen. On video with candles on makes such a big difference. Like currently doing the sink shot over there already. And then look at this. Oh my gosh. So stunning on this light. How do you own it? Ah, look. I'm shooting these beds now. These pillows are so cute. Doing an angle from up pointing down so I can show the pillows and the spread. This bedroom actually has the nicest light from both of these. Now I'm shooting the exterior. First off is this table here in the garage is converted, so I love this couch over here. I feel like I'm doing a home tour. It's like in between my shots and then doing some shots out here. Sun is slowly coming out but still super cloudy. I'm home now. I hope you enjoyed this behind the scenes. I know I got some questions on what kind of gear I have. So I have a GH5. My slider is a newer slider. It's a bit too long. I also have a 42.5 millimeter, the Liowa, I think 7.5 millimeter, and a Leica 12 to 60 millimeter. Today I was mostly using the 12 to 60 millimeter just because it was easier. Instead of like changing all the time, I already had to change the heights of the tripods a lot. So I wish I used the 42.5. Didn't really do a real estate type shoot today, so I didn't even use the 7.5. Leo was just good to have, but yeah, I didn't really need those wide shots. That explains kind of the gear I use and the behind the scenes. Thank you guys for coming along my journey today. Thank you so much, Becca, for having me over to shoot.